Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a sleek, natural looking ponytail. So the main product that you need for this ponytail is going to be Marley hair, Eco Styler gel, water, some open bobby pin, a regular brush, some scissors, need a toothbrush to lay those edges, need a rat tail comb, a big paddle brush, 2 ponytail holders. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wet my hair again just to make it a little more manageable when I get ready to start slicking it back and everything. And cramp it up. Now that it's all wet again, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. That might not be 100% straight, but I don't really care. It's straight enough. Now that your hair is parted, you're gonna kind of section off this front piece. This is only if you're doing the side part, okay? It's nice and secure. And we're gonna go ahead and start the slicking process. We have our Eco Styler gel here, and you're just gonna take a generous amount. Just applying more and more gel. You will never have too much gel for this look. And you're just gonna kind of grab all of your hair. Make sure you gather it. Get more gel. Then you're going to take your soft brush and just start brushing your hair. You're going to take your ponytail holder. Okay, so now that you have that in a little ball and your hair is tucked back, we're going to start on the tube. Get that spray bottle. Okay. Once this part of your hair is wet enough, you're gonna go back and get your Eco Styler gel. You're gonna get a generous amount of gel. Have a generous amount, and you're just gonna start working it into this part of your hair. You're gonna take your soft brush and you're gonna brush. Ow. Okay, so once you have it brushed, flattened down enough, you're gonna take this bun. So I try to be a perfectionist, but I get fed up a little bit. So as long as it looks decent, overall, I'm fine. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna be doing is taking the Marley hair out of the pack to go ahead and get that ready to be attached, okay? Okay, so now you're just gonna join it in like that. Right here. What you do with the ponytail holder and what you do with this hair is going to be very important. So you're going to grab the hair in the middle like this. Then you're going to hook the ponytail holder underneath the hair. And now it looks like this. Alright, I'll show it again. Take it out. So you got your hair, right? Ponytail holder. Lift the hair up, put the ponytail holder underneath. This is what you have right now. Alright, so you have the two loops like this. You're gonna tuck that in there like that and pull it. Okay? And I'll take it loose and show you again. Very simple. Okay, you have the ponytail holder under the hair, and you're just gonna tuck one loop inside of the other one and pull it. And you're gonna pull it really tight, okay? So you're pulling it really tight, and it should look like that. So now your hair is sitting on the ponytail holder like this. Okay, so the next step. You want to make the hair look a little more natural. And it doesn't look very natural right now. It basically does because it is Marley hair, but you still want to separate it because like look at the ends. That's not right. So this is where the paddle brush comes in. Okay, so you're going to hold the hair. You're going to grab it up here like this because you don't want it to slide on one side or the other. Okay, you're going to grab it at the top and slide down, all right? So you get to these ends right here, which look a mess right now, okay? And you're just gonna kind of take the brush and just do this. You're basically combing out the ends to look a little more natural. You don't want to comb it too much because it will get really poofy. They're really big. Now, unless that's the desired effect you want, then don't do that. Now, the ends of this will get really nappy and tangled, but just keep brushing. We have a solution for the tangled ends. This is where the scissors come into play. See how that is? We don't want that. So we're just gonna trim the hair a little bit. Pull that out a little bit just to get those extra clippings out of there. And I'm gonna shake it out a little bit. I'll kind of stretch it. And so basically what it's turning into is this is going to be the part that's going to be against my back. This is going to be the side that is out. Now this ponytail is very dramatic, okay? So if you're not for big dramatic hair, this is not for you, okay? I think ponytail is ready to be attached. Okay, so you're going to take the loop that's hanging off right here, and you're going to bring the ponytail around and hook this loop to this. You're gonna hook the loop to this ponytail right here, okay? And you're just gonna wrap it around until it's tight. because it's on there does not mean it's secure. Okay, so with the bobby pins, okay? I'm gonna take the first one and you're gonna just hook it in where you see fit. Grab a mirror, like a hand mirror, and just kind of look in the mirror behind you and just make sure it looks good from all sides. What I am going to do is go ahead and lay my edges down like I like to do. Side, back, side. Perfect. Okay guys, so that was a tutorial. I really hope it was easy to follow. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time.